In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best bicycle cranksets available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the bicycle cranksets mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Shimano DEORE FCM 5100 1x11 MTB Crankset. The Shimano DEORE FCM 5100 is a top choice for mountain biking enthusiasts, offering high-quality aluminum alloy construction for durability. Its 64 to 96 BCD design ensures precise shifting, while the 170mm axle size enhances performance. Easy to install and maintain, this crankset is ideal for riders seeking efficiency and reliability on rugged trails. With a massive 62% discount, it's an excellent upgrade for any MTB setup at an unbeatable price. Number 4, Litepro 130 BCD Folding Bike Crankset. Designed for folding bikes and commuters, the Litepro 130 BCD crankset ensures quick assembly and effortless installation. Made from lightweight Al6061 alloy, it delivers durability without extra weight. Available in multiple chainring sizes, 45T, 58T, it offers efficient pedaling for urban rides. The single crank design enhances simplicity, making it perfect for those seeking a hassle-free upgrade. At 40% off, it's a cost-effective solution for enhancing performance on folding and commuter bicycles. Number 3, Prowheel 104 BCD Crankset for Mountain Bikes. The Prowheel 104 BCD crankset is built for mountain biking enthusiasts, supporting 8 to 12 speed drivetrains. Its precise Q-factor/I factor measurements, 176/146 mm, ensure optimal performance, while multiple sprocket options, 30T, 52T, provide versatile gearing choices. A bottom bracket option is available for a complete setup. Durable, efficient, and discounted by 33%, this crankset is an excellent investment for those looking to enhance their MTB riding experience. Number 2, SKEACE 144 BCD Aluminum Alloy Single-Speed Crankset. Ideal for road bikes and cruisers, the SKEACE 144 BCD crankset boasts a fine sandblasting anode surface treatment for durability and style. With a 165mm crank length and lightweight design, 680G, it offers smooth pedaling and optimal efficiency. The CNC-finished tooth plate ensures precision, making it a reliable choice for single-speed enthusiasts. Now available at a 57% discount, this crankset provides excellent value for road cycling enthusiasts. Number 1, GOLDIX 104 BCD MTB Crankset. Lightweight strong, the GOLDIX 104 BCD MTB crankset is a premium choice for riders seeking strength and lightweight performance. Its hollow design reduces weight while enhancing durability. Available in multiple sizes, 32T, 38T, it ensures optimal gearing for various terrains. Compatible with 68 to 73mm bottom bracket widths, it offers versatility and reliability. At 12% off, this crankset is perfect for mountain bikers looking for a strong yet lightweight upgrade.